G'day everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about something I've wanted to talk about for a long time, and that is my favorite shoe. It's been a staple sneaker of mine since about 2015, so the last 4 years, and it is the Nike Air Max 90s. Now, the ones that I've had until now have been the Nike Air Max 90 Essentials, and the ones that I've just bought, these ones in this box, which I'll unbox in a moment, these are the Nike Air Max 90 leather. I've just looked these up. I didn't know what the difference. I thought they were both called Nike Air Max, and one was just leather and one was more fabric. But turns out they have different names, and I'll show you even on the Nike website. So these are the Essentials, and these are the leather. And you can see they've got a slight different shape, very minor, but you can tell there is a little bit of a difference. Leathers retail for a bit more, but that's why it's even better. I got these, had a really good sale, had a few coupon codes, stacked them, and got these for a really good price. I ended up getting these for about 95 Australian dollars. Half price basically. So we'll unbox them in a second. First I want to talk about my current pair, which I've had for about a year. So these are the Nike Air Max Essentials. Had these for about a year, got these for my birthday a year ago, and my second pair, these are my second pair. So the condition is not too great. I wear them pretty much every day. So they've stacked up. Why I like these shoes, they're comfortable, they're versatile. I can wear these to the office sometimes because they're black and get away with it. And just I like how they look, just black, sleek, you know, and very comfortable with these, with the air here as well. So I'm going to show you my first pair that I got back in about 2015. Now what happened was I was traveling and I was looking for a shoe that was both comfortable, and I only wanted to take one shoe with me. And I made the mistake on an earlier trip. I think I went to Europe in 2014 and I took a pair of these Rockport dress shoes. So Rockport do these shoes, they look like dress shoes, but they've got an Adidas sole, so they're meant to be more comfortable. So I took these shoes with me to Europe, and they were the most uncomfortable shoes ever. The reason I took them with me is I wanted a shoe that I could get into bars and clubs with at night, but that I could just walk around exploring during the day and not get sore feet. But the opposite happened. I'd walk around and within a couple of hours my feet were sore and I was stuck with these shoes. Yes, I could get into the clubs later on, but my feet were always sore for the entire trip. So then my next trip, I wanted to make sure that I had a shoe that was comfortable, was more like a runner, but I could get into bars and clubs. And that's where this first pair, I don't know if you can see how bad they look, but they've pretty much discolored. They're almost a purpley color. It might not show up. Oh yeah, you can kind of see there. They've discolored. These have been just sitting outside my house for a few years, a year or so. So I bought these and I ended up taking them to Vegas and Thailand. So in Vegas, I would wear these into nightclubs and I'd get away with it most nights. The odd night, I'd get pulled up on them and be told to come back with dress shoes. But 80% of the time, I'd say I'd got in. And keep in mind, that is Vegas. So if you're traveling somewhere that, like Europe, where maybe you're going to a beach club area, these shoes will be perfect. And also I wore those in Thailand and I went into the beach, like the low tide of the beach I was walking through. They got completely soaked, but they dried off and I wore them for a few months after that. Until eventually I got this pair, which I've just shown you. And then more excitingly, I've got the newest pair, the Air Max Nike leather. I've never had a leather pair, so I'll unbox this. And by the way, when I first bought that original pair, I bought them off ASOS. there was a sale and I was trying to get the leather, but the leather one sold out first, so I was stuck getting the essentials. But I think the essentials are really good as well. I can't compare. I will be able to compare in a second. We'll unbox this and then I'll put them on to see how they look. So, okay, all right. Okay, they don't smell too bad. There they are. Brand new leather Air Max 90s. Check that out. Let me just feel them. You know, it's got that, they feel very sleek. I mean, if I wear these ones to work sometimes, I'm definitely going to be able to get away with wearing these ones. I mean, look at that. I know these have worn out for a bit, but straight away, these just look a lot more cleaner, crisper. However, these look more comfy, I will say. It looks more like a trainer, a running shoe, a walking shoe, whereas this looks a lot more classy even. Look at that, how classy that is. Now what about the shape? Is there much difference in the shape? You guys be the judge. Pretty much the same. Anyway, let's try these on. Okay, they feel very cushiony. Okay, there they are, no surprises. They feel amazing. I love them. I like how they look. I like the cushion and perfect size. I think I got a size 10 US, which is like a size 9. They feel a bit more wider than my other ones, and they just look amazing. Man, I'm gonna try and look after this pair. I've got a feeling they will last a lot longer than the other ones. But anyway, that is what they look like. What do you guys think? Let me know. So yeah, that is my third pair of Nike Air Max 90s in black. I think it's time to maybe explore some other colors, but as I've mentioned, I've always looked for a shoe that's been really versatile, one you can go out with, one you could even wear to work on occasion, and one that you can just wear casually. And this, for mine, I've yet to find a shoe better than this for that purpose. I have started to look at, I think, the Nike Air Max 1s. Let me just confirm that. So I was looking at the black Nike Air Force ones. Maybe that could be a similar shoe that's versatile as well. But for now, gotta hand it to the Nike Air Max 90s leather version, brand new leather and synthetic upper. What size are these? If you want to know, US size 10. So I don't know if I can rave about these shoes anymore. My favorite all-time shoe. I will mention, before I came across these shoes, my favorite shoes were the Cortez, the Nike Cortez. Look them up. I'll show you a picture. The Nike Cortez were my favorite, but these last 4 or 5 years have been my favorite shoe. Guys, let me know in the comments below, is there any other shoe that has the same specs as this shoe as I have mentioned for my needs? Let me know. Are there any other color varieties that I should be checking out? I have seen some camel colored suede versions of these that look pretty slick, and obviously there's an array of different colors that this shoe comes in. But man, hopefully Nike keep making this shoe, because I will be buying it for the next, who knows, 10, 20 years at least. Hopefully when I'm an old man in my nursing home, I'll still be wearing these. But anyway guys, that will be the video for today. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.